Check this out, mate.
There it is, the day you became a business owner. There were first days and first dollars. Conversations that went well, and a phone call that nearly ended everything. And you learned pretty quickly that when it's your name on the door, you have to make the decisions. And at some point along the way, you realize that your competitors just might be doing a better job than you at finding new customers. You probably wondered, should you advertise online? How does social media work? And is the website you built to get your business going good enough to keep it going? Well, at web.com, we're here to help answer those questions. Call now and receive a free online marketing review for your business. We begin with a look at your current website. We'll see if it includes important information that will help customers find you. Then we'll look at the design. Is everything clear and organized? Are you proud of the way it looks? From there, we'll partner with you to build a complete online marketing and advertising plan. A plan that starts with a website built to perform. With your guidance, we'll create a site that's not only modern and searchable, but mobile ready, so your customers can reach you wherever they are. Part of being a successful business owner is knowing when to ask for help. So keep doing what you do best and let web.com help your small business market like a bigger business. Today and all the days after. Call 800-433-6776 now and receive a free online marketing review from web.com.